not good. And welcome back to our brand new video. So it's Boxing Day, and first of all, I hope you had a fantastic Christmas and had a wonderful time with your friends and your family. So it is, like I said, it's Boxing Day. It's about sort of 2:30 in the afternoon, and we'll sort of just come and have a bit of a walk around and see how busy Blackpool is in Boxing Day. And you can see it's quite a bit of a misty start, or misty afternoon, shall I say. You see the tower, it's like the top of it is slightly hidden, it is further back, but you can see people say, oh, Blackpool's gone, you know, it's finished, but you just see the coach loads, and these are all up and down the promenade, people coming on Boxing Day and just going to enjoy a bit of Blackpool life. So when people say, oh, you know, it's a thing of the past, I'm sure it isn't. The proof is in the pudding. And you see, like I said, these coaches, and they're all up and down the promenade. People just enjoying the memories and the atmosphere of Blackpool as we delve further into this video. So you might think, you know, what are all these cars doing illegally parked along here? You know, why have they not got tickets? And all these, all to do with the lifeboat. And they even do training. You know, I think it's like normally it's a Wednesday. It looks like there might be something happening, I'm not too sure, with all these cars parked here. And this is the home of the RNLI, the emergency response in regards to the lifeboats. And you see sort of the gathering there. So maybe like a bit of a training day, even on Boxing Day. So what we're going to do, we're going to head on past the Christmas market, and we're going to have a look around town, because you know what people say, you know, you get the bargain day sales, the Boxing Day sales. So we're going to have a quick look, you know, see how busy the town is, and you know, see if people are grabbing them bargains on Boxing Day. But you can see, you know, it's certainly quite busy. Like I said, we're not even in the town centre yet, but there's certainly a lot of people just walking around and enjoying that bit of a fresh air. And you see the Star Flyer is on the move, and it's rising to the top. Even people on Boxing Day over the Christmas period enjoy a bit of a go on that one. So yeah, as we move further along, like I said, we're going to have a quick glimpse at the Christmas market, and then we're going to head into town. Like I said, we're going to see if anybody's getting the bargains and how busy the town centre is today. And this is always a great one. It's the old ice skating ring in Blackpool, and this one is a free one to go on, which is fantastic. So like I said, if you're a bit sort of hard up, you can certainly go on the little ice skating ring on the Christmas market. So just a bit of a shot of the Hounds Hill as we walk on by. We'll do like I said, we'll sort of hang around town for a few moments. We get a few different shots, but this is a great one, Hounds Hill. And like I said, I've always got wonderful little stalls inside as we head up near the iconic Winter Gardens. it's certainly a bit of a, it's like a bit of a mess around here. It's like we've got a couple of burst bags, you can see there, and those seals are certainly making the most of it. And it's amazing, you know, the damage some of these seals actually do. They certainly burst open the bags and make a bit of a mess. So this is just a bit of a shot of the tower. So as we move the camera up, I'm not sure if it sort of picks it up, but it's like a mist just sort of rolling over. And again, you know, I don't think it sort of picks it up, but it's a little misty today on Boxing Day. So you can see, to be fair, you know, the town centre, it's not that busy. I mean, whether it was a generational thing, everyone used to get excited about the Boxing Day sales. And, you know, it's a time to come out, you know, people save the money up, they get sort of some money for Christmas, and they'll come out, rush to the sales. But you can see, you know, there's hardly any shops open in Blackpool. So, you know, is it a generational thing? You know, the Boxing Day sales, everything gone online, like I said many a times. But you can see, you know, it's most of the shops are all closed. Yeah, and it's all kicking off in Blackpool. See the older blues and twos. Looks like they've been called out on a bit of an emergency. So I'm not too sure exactly what's happening with that one, but yeah, it's just near the old Scruffy Murphys, that one. So you can see someone's being escorted in the back of the van. And what a day to spend your Boxing Day. Not good. So, like I said, what a day to spend your Boxing Day in the back of a police van. And so it's a lady from Scruffy Murphys, so she's probably had that little bit too much to drink. So hopefully, you know, she realises her lesson and she gets out and enjoys the rest of her Boxing Day. Look at that guy, so he's cycling on the beach. It must be really hard, because imagine your wheels will possibly get stuck. So there you go, I think I've seen it all now. You don't really see bikers cycling along the beach. So as we say goodbye to the town, I think we're going to say goodbye in this video. And I'd just like to take this opportunity just to wish, you know, everybody a great Boxing Day, and a huge thank you to all the NHS staff, you know, Blackpool cleaners, the police, the fire, the ambulance, all the emergency services, and everybody, you know, who has been working over Christmas. You know, the carers, all sorts of people who've been working over Christmas to keep the country running. And until next time, take care of yourselves. And like I said, I hope you had a fantastic Christmas. All the very best. And it is a bye from me. Bye-bye.